Hello everyone. Today in this video, we'll share you how to create iOS 17 call screen wallpaper on your device. You can custom wallpaper like this, or set any wallpaper you want into it. Work in both calling and receiving call screen. Prepare to set up. Wallpaper and video description. Extract file. You got iOS 17 call screen wallpaper. These wallpapers are created by me. After download wallpaper, exit to home screen and open Play Store. Find and download app install on your device. App link in video description. I recommend you turn off Wi-Fi and data use before setup app. First time, you must agree permissions of app before use. Please attention to these application permissions. Set all to always allow. iOS dial style. Press voicemail. You can change dark mode if you want. After change, reopen app to apply changed. Now tap change. Call background. Tap, select photo. Choose wallpaper downloaded and set to call screen background. Disable blur background. Try call any number. Wallpaper changed. Try when receiving calls. You can set any wallpaper on your gallery into this. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.